You just get more at Sunset Ford.
Needle in the haystack. Well, the formal meaning is something that's incredibly hard or almost impossible to find. Now, everybody's looked for a 4-leaf clover, but that needle in the haystack is a 7-leaf clover. Those are pretty darn rare, all right. Kind of like trying to find the exact new Ford you want at any Ford dealership these days. So right now, the fastest and lowest price way of getting your exact new Ford is to special order it from the factory. And no one can do that quicker or for less than Sunset Ford of Sumner. Plus, you'll get warranty protection for life and oil changes for life. And those Sunset exclusives could save you thousands of dollars down the road. So save yourself some time and find that needle in the haystack at Sunset Ford of Sumner.
You just get more at Sunset Ford.
And people do like that.